Assalamualaikum. The name is given Abdul Azhar bin Abdul Rahman. What is hydropower? Hydropower or hydroelectric power refers to the conversion of energy from flowing water into electricity. It is basically changing the kinetic energy from flowing water to electric energy. Hydroelectric power is a renewable energy which is considered as a green energy source because the water cycle is constantly renewed by the sun. Hydropower is known after a guy named James Francis built a turbine which functioned in water.
My name is Muhammad Azmal bin Muhammad Sabuddin. Today, modern hydro plants produce electricity using turbines and generators. The mechanical energy created by moving water spins rotor on a turbine. This turbine is connected to an electromagnetic generator which produces electricity when the turbine spins. There are two main types of hydroelectricity production: dam and runoff river. Hydro dam utilize the potential energy from dam water to produce electricity. A dam is a large barrier constructed to raise the level of water and control its flow. The elevation created by the dam creates gravitational force for turning the turbine. Hydro, the second form of hydroelectricity production, is run-off river. Hydro run-off rivers still use turbine and generator, but relief on natural water flow rates of river diverting just a portion of the water through turbine because run-off river hydro is subject to natural water variability. It is more intermittent than dam hydro.
My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Md Johan. There are various sizes of hydro plants that produce electricity. Large hydro is greater than 30 megawatts. Small hydro is 100 kilowatts to 30 megawatts, and micro hydro is less than 100 kilowatts. The Bekg Dam in Malaysia is located in Sarawak. Is the largest hydropower plants in Malaysia. These hydropower plants produce 2,400 megawatts. There are various types of material using in hydropower plants. For turbines, the material includes superhydrophobic coatings and superhydrophobic lubricant infused composites, coating with triboelectric properties, and bimodal coatings with post-nanometric and micrometric WC grains. Meanwhile, for dams and hydraulic structures include GF reinforced concrete, rock-bolted underpinning system, rock-filled concrete cement, and bituminous conglomerate. Lastly, the material in waterway include high tensile strength steel pipes, super hydrophilic surfaces to reduce friction losses.
What are the requirements for hydropower? Hydropower requires an endless water cycle system to create electricity through the process that my friends have explained earlier. The hydroelectric power plant also needs a turbine, which is specifically able to function in the water. This also includes all the materials that has been mentioned earlier.
My name is Aiman Hakim bin Nazir. I will make a conclusion from the hydropower. Hydropower plants are a vital energy to the world because in hydropower we are using a water, and the water is an efficient and reliable fuel. Not only that, we get some benefit and the concern from the hydropower. The benefit is cost competitive form of electricity even though the initial building cost can be high. Secondly, a quick reliable compared to the other renewable option. And the lastly is make more electricity faster consistently for the future. For the concern, we get changing wildlife habitats blocking fishing. And the last concern is hydro plants are also not completely free of greenhouse gas emission because the large quantity of cement used during the construction.